In this video, let me show you how to plot charts using PYPLOT. We are going to plot the basic chart types, which are the line chart, bar chart and scatter plot. Starting first with the bar chart. So I am going to explain to you this program. First of all, whenever we want to use a PYPLOT function, we must remember to first import it in the Python environment by using the following commands as shown in line number 2. So here we are plotting the PYPLOT, and in line number 3 and line number 4 we are initializing the list for the variable x and y, and we are plotting a bar chart for it. Here we are using show in order to display the output. So since we are plotting a bar chart, so we are getting like that. Next, let me show you on how to use comments. Here we have the x-axis and the y-axis. Some of you, like when I give you a homework for plotting the roll number and marks of students. So some of you in line number 3 and line number 5, instead of writing x-axis or y-axis, you wrote roll number in line number 3 and marks in line number 5. That is also correct. That means we are showing that in line number 3, it is a comment for roll number, which is in line number 4. And line number 5 is a comment for marks, which is in line number 6. So this is another way of doing it. So here I am specifying x-axis and y-axis. Now when I run the program, there is no changes here because it is a comment. The compiler is not reading those comments. It is for our understanding. Now to make us understanding more, I'm changing here the variable roll number and marks for x and y axis. So I'm saving the program. Now you can see the output. I did not run. So in line number 7 you can see there is error. Red line is there, that means there is error. Do you know why? Because I have to change x-axis and y-axis into roll number and marks. Roll number for x-axis and marks for y-axis. Now when I run this program, now see there is no difference, but it is easy for us to read, to understand this program. Like 52947 are for roll numbers and 105842 are for marks. So we have two variables, roll number and marks, and we are plotting using a bar chart. Now for the output, to make it easy for us to understand, I would like to give a label. So for x-axis, I'm giving a label as roll numbers, so that it will be easy for us to understand the output if we look at the chart, this side. So next, for y-axis, I'm plotting with the label marks. So here we have roll number in x-axis and marks in y-axis. So you can see it is easy for us now to understand looking at the chart. Marks y-axis and roll number x-axis. We are getting a bar chart because we use .bar in line number 7. So if you want to plot the other basic type of charts, you can change in this line. So here I'm plotting a line using plot function. So I wrote PLOT plot and I'm getting that output. So similarly, if you want to plot other types of charts, you can change in line number 7. Just like I did just now, it was bar, but now it is plot. So the output has also changed. So now let me change here also. I would like to show you for scatter chart. Let me run. And so this is the output for scatter chart. So you can see I have changed to scatter, and here also the output has changed. So one thing that you have to keep in mind is line number 7. That means the function that you are using to plot includes the variable names. So make sure that these variable names are matching with one another. So I hope you understand till here. See, in line number 4 and line number 6 we have roll number and marks. So similarly in line number 7 we have roll number and marks. So make sure that these variable names match one another. So this is the solution for the homework that I gave to you last time. So you can do the corrections by following this video. Thank you.